Hello, my friend. How are you doing? Today, we continue talking about when we are not comfortable. 我们不舒服的时候。Today, I teach you 3 new words. First one, cold. I have a cold. 我感冒了。Sore throat. I have a terrible sore throat. 嗓子疼 sore throat. Sneeze. 打喷嚏 sneeze. So, cold, sore throat, and sneeze. Cold and sore throat are nouns. I have a cold. I have a sore throat. Sneeze is a verb. Sneeze 是动词。I'm sneezing a lot. When I have a cold, I sneeze a lot. Do you sneeze a lot in spring? Do you usually get a cold in winter? When you have a cold, do you have a sore throat too? What do you do when you have a cold? Do you drink more hot water? What do you do when you have a sore throat? Answer these questions and then go on our website and complete the exercises. Check our options with certificate. Make sure you comment this class and like it. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia and I see you next class. Today, we also learn allergies.